Today we're going to classify polygons. So first, what is a polygon? A polygon is a closed plane figure made up of line segments. For example, this is a polygon because it's made up of straight line segments and it's closed. This figure here is not a polygon because it is not closed. What is a regular polygon? A regular polygon has sides of equal length and angles of equal measure. So all the sides are the same length, all the angles are the same as well. These are all examples of regular polygons. Each one has sides of equal length and the angles are the same as well. So we identify polygons as being regular or irregular. So if we look at this chart, we have a column with irregular polygons and the sides are not equal. The angles are not equal. The regular polygon, triangle, has 3 equal sides, 3 equal angles. Here's a quadrilateral that's irregular, pentagon that's irregular, a hexagon that's irregular, and an octagon that's irregular. So we could classify all polygons as either being regular or irregular. Also, we could classify polygons by the number of sides. So 3 sides is a triangle, 4 sides is a quadrilateral, 5 sides is a pentagon, 6 sides is a hexagon, and 8 sides is an octagon. So now it's your turn to classify some polygons. Good luck.